In this video, we'll talk about why women become obsessed with high-value men. With the rise of social media, women no longer have respect for the average man, and low-value men are disgusting to them. Nowadays, all women chase high-value men. That begs the question, why are women so obsessed with this personality type? Is it merely their status and money, or is there more at work? In this video, we will go over 8 reasons why women are drawn to high-value men. The last reason is the most important. So make sure to watch the video until the end. Number 1. Warped reality. Women don't see average guys. Interactions with store workers or a guy working construction will be forgotten within seconds, while she will remember a high-value man for the rest of her life, even after only one interaction. It's ruthless, and there is no respect for the average hard-working man, but here is the truth. 90% of guys are invisible to women, while they go crazy for the top 10% of men. That is because social media has portrayed the idea that every man is in the top 10%. Women only see gods living their best lives on social media, and this has warped their perception of masculinity. They assume every man should be a high-value man and is a failure if he isn't. This means you can no longer remain average if you want girls to notice you. You may not like it, you can even hate it, but you are forced to accept it. Number 2. No sugarcoating. Desperation in men leads to simping and sugarcoating their words, but high-value men are not desperate. High-value men are a rare breed of men that are fiercely authentic. They are the kind of men who won't sugarcoat their comments just to make a woman happy. Instead, they see it as it is, regardless of how the other person may react. They don't care if a woman isn't interested in them because they know they can easily replace her. This is the reason why they keep things extremely real and don't sugarcoat anything, and women love it. You see, having no filter when you speak shows women you can replace her, and women can sense it if a man isn't impressed by her. If everyone else is simping and being extra sweet to her, why does he not care to do the same? This makes her uncomfortable, but at the same time, it also makes her interested and excited. Women can't accept that they aren't special. They will go out of their way to try and excite the man that isn't impressed by her. Keep watching to discover more crucial insights. Number 3. Witty. Women love a man that is funny. That is no secret, and high-value men more often than not have a great sense of humor. They understand when to be serious and when to be lighthearted and not take themselves too seriously. It is like a switch they turn on and off. Do not misunderstand it. Not taking yourself too seriously doesn't mean you act like a goofball or make a fool out of yourself. High-value men have a witty sense of humor. They know how to use words intelligently and find the funny side of things. It's a way to even make the most complicated ideas easy to understand and relate to. Wittiness is the perfect combination of being funny while showing you are smart and know a lot about different things, which are both attractive qualities in a man. Number 4. Don't copy others. High-value men don't copy other men. You will often find women copying each other. It is quite a feminine thing to do. However, nowadays you see more men copying other men. They think they can role-play as another man and get the same results as him. Pathetic. Women can tell if someone is a copycat, and guys can tell too. It sounds cliché, but you must find your own style. You will always be a lesser version of someone if you copy their style. It is a waste of time until you finally realize you can't beat someone at their own game. High-value men are authentically themselves, from the way they speak, the way they carry themselves, to the way they interact with other people. This makes them unique in a world full of copycats. Number 5. Life always moving up. High-value men are always improving. They understand that you either progress or regress. You can't stagnate in the gym for long because that means you are regressing. You can't stagnate financially and keep the same balance in your bank for the rest of your life because inflation is lowering the worth of your money every year. Everything in life is either moving up or down, and high-value men understand that like no other. Life is a battle for them. They always set new goals, always look for new mountains to climb. Listen, there exists no such thing as coasting in life, at least not for the winners. If you want any type of success, you must be willing to earn it, fight for it every single day. Almost at the most important part. Keep watching. Number 6. Respond, don't react. Most people always react to situations in life. They react to things happening around them, making them easy to distract and keep away from their goals, and above all, making them unfit to be a leader. Reacting keeps them at a low level. High-value men respond instead of reacting. When something happens to them, they internalize it first. They analyze what is going on and why they feel certain emotions, and then they consciously decide how to act on the situation. It is a skill that is necessary for any type of success in life, and that is why all high-value men have mastered it. Number 7. Don't complain about anything. Don't complain about anything in public because it makes you look weak and low value. It also shows that you're not confident in your abilities, which is a huge turnoff for a lot of people. The worst part about complaining is that it makes you look like a baby. It makes you look helpless and irrational, two things that are the exact opposite of high value. Now, for the most important point. Number 8. Man of the world. High-value men are men of the world. Being a man of the world means that you are willing to keep yourself informed about what is going on in the world. This does not mean you need to follow all the latest news, especially not from the mainstream media, but staying educated and connected to current events helps in several different ways. When you understand exactly what is going on, you are more attractive as a person. Most importantly, you will have an advantage over men that don't understand what is going on around them. These are the 8 reasons why women are drawn to high-value men. Embrace these traits and watch how your life changes. Click the link to view the next powerful video.